there guys, today I have a workshop hack to show you. And honestly, I think it's going to be so useful for us makers and woodworkers. It's how I made this sanding drum / spindle sander for 50p. So please subscribe to me and be professional. Now let's get cracking with our project. The bulk of this project is a spare part from a bosch rolling sander. I bought this for 50p in the home base for sale, but if you can't find it in sale, these only cost £5 in Machine Mart, so don't worry, they're dead cheap. So grit of this is 80 grit, which is perfect for removing lots of material and shaping, so pretty good, not really too good for finishing. The other materials you need is a threaded rod and make sure it's roughly the same bore as a rubber. We will then cut it to size. Ooh, sparky. This is a must, always use PPE please. Then we file any sharp parts left behind. Next, thread a rubber cylinder onto the rod. Now we need 2 nuts and washers. Then put them on a rod and don't tighten them too much as this will expand the rubber and make it hard to fit the sanding sleeve on. Next, slide the sandpaper sleeve on a rubber. Now tighten the nuts to expand the rubber to keep the sandpaper on. Now you've got a fully working professional sanding roller or spindle sander for only 50p, and that's crazy guys. It really is as good as any others. I've seen sets for around £20 on eBay, and this works mad. Let's see it work in action. So yeah, I'm going to show you how well it works. You'll be blown, your mind will be blown. Now let's put it on a drill press. If you haven't got a drill press, you could use a drill. Oh my god, it does a perfect job. It is actually a beast on my drill press. So if you like this video, please comment and subscribe how it can improve. Also please comment if you think it's a good tool to use. So see you in the next one.